Hello there. My name is Kunle Lawal. I graduated from Georgia Tech with a electrical engineering degree in 2013, December 2013. After college, I worked at Hewlett Packard Enterprise in San Francisco, California, where I worked as a solution architect slash a solution engineer. So over there, I worked in a customer facing role where I worked with various customers, mainly SMB customers, small to medium business customers, as well as SLED clients. So SLED is state and local education. So over there, I was involved with helping my clients configure server solutions for their IT environment. So an example of this kind of solution includes like virtualization. So if my client wants to change their environment, their IT environment, to a virtualized environment, I help them throughout that process. And that process includes the initial conversation with my client, which involves trying to find out their business needs and then trying to build a solution around your business needs. After that, I help them throughout the deployment of the solution. So this involves a lot of communication back and forth between my client's IT staff department and HP staff department, and I facilitate that communication between both teams. Any questions or problems, in fact, that my clients are involved in, I facilitate that to product managers within HP and help them throughout that process of trying to solve the issue they're working with. In this role, I was involved with a lot of hardware and software configurations in order to solve my client issues. I also acted as a liaison between my client and HP, and I was also involved in writing test scripts for server configurations in order to bring various servers up and running. But my daily responsibilities were the hardware configurations as well as the software configurations and acting as a liaison between my client and HP. So this is my experience after college. And while I was in school, I was involved with two internships with two different companies. They were great, actually, great internships. The first was with Texas Instruments, which was in which was in 2013, actually. So over there, I worked as a product engineer, where I was involved with product testing, and the products that we were testing were TI microcontroller chips. So we do a lot of testing on these TI microcontroller chips before they go into production. Our testing involved a lot of qualification testing and characterization testing of the chips and before they go into productions. And the chips that don't meet the criteria, we then write up a report, and then those report goes back to R&D in order to fix the different issues that come up during testing. So this is, and also I was involved with analytics during that period. So I did analytics on the test results in order to characterize those results and then be able to send them back to R&D if we need to. So that was my summer of 2013. The second internship was with Caterpillar Inc., where I worked in Peoria, Illinois. Over there, I worked as a systems integration engineer. So what I was involved in was building new technologies and integrating them into old tractors that were already out for a couple of years. So we're just doing upgrade on those tractors, therefore the integration engineering aspect of it. Over there, I worked with a lot of simulation in a simulation environment in order to simulate the new technologies on the tractors. So my main project during that summer was to automate a simulation testing environment. So I built a robotic arm in order to automate a testing process. So by building this robotic arm, it saves manpower so that instead of having somebody there doing the simulation testing, we instead have a robotic arm that doesn't need to rest at all, do all the testing, and carry testing to completion. So after the testing is done, we have a report, and all the person needs to come do the next day after they ran the test the previous day is just to look at the report and then continue and then find what needs to be changed with the simulation test results. So these were my experiences, and I look forward to hearing back from you. And thank you very much. Bye.